welcome with the 2026 Rolls Royce Motorhome. Don't forget, like this video and subscribe to the Dream Drive Home.
Imagine waking up in Paris, having breakfast while cruising through the Swiss Alps, and watching the sunset over the Mediterranean, all without ever leaving your bedroom. This isn't science fiction or a billionaire's fever dream. This is the reality of what might be the most extraordinary vehicle ever conceived. A golden palace on wheels that makes private jets look modest. With flowing curves that seem to defy physics, a price tag that could buy a small island, and amenities that rival five-star hotels, this rolling mansion is about to change everything you thought you knew about luxury travel. When Rolls-Royce announced they were entering the ultra-luxury mobile home market, the automotive world held its breath. Known for crafting some of the finest automobiles money can buy, the British marque has always represented the pinnacle of elegance and refinement. But this is something entirely different. This is Rolls-Royce taking their philosophy of the best car in the world and asking, what if that car could also be your home? The exterior alone is a masterpiece that challenges conventional design. Those sweeping golden curves aren't just for show. They're a bold statement that luxury doesn't have to be confined by straight lines and rigid angles. The flowing, wave-like structure wraps around a multi-level living space, creating an organic form that seems more like sculpture than transportation. The metallic gold finish catches light in constantly shifting patterns, ensuring that this vehicle turns heads whether parked at a Monaco yacht club or rolling through the countryside. The design team spent over 3 years perfecting these curves, using computer modeling and wind tunnel testing to ensure that beauty and aerodynamics work in harmony. Built on a custom Rolls-Royce chassis paired with a heavy-duty truck cab, this creation bridges two worlds: the rugged capability needed to transport what amounts to a small mansion, and the refined craftsmanship that Rolls-Royce customers demand. The white tractor unit, bearing the iconic Rolls-Royce Spirit of Ecstasy emblem, provides the muscle with a power plant capable of generating over 600 horsepower. This isn't your typical semi-truck. Every component has been engineered to Rolls-Royce standards. From the hand-stitched leather in the driver's cabin to the whisper-quiet operation that insulates occupants from road noise. Step inside, and you'll find yourself in a space that completely redefines mobile living. The interior spans multiple levels, with floor-to-ceiling windows offering panoramic views of whatever paradise you've chosen to visit. The main living area features hand-stitched leather seating in patterns that take craftspeople weeks to complete. Wood veneers sourced from sustainable forests and aged for perfect color matching, and custom carpeting thick enough to lose your toes in. Every surface has been considered, every detail perfected. The color palette can be fully customized, but the default scheme features warm creams, rich browns, and accents of rose gold that complement the exterior. The master suite occupies the upper level, a sanctuary that rivals the world's finest hotel suites. A king-size bed with sheets woven from Egyptian cotton with a thread count that sounds fictional becomes your nightly retreat. The mattress itself is custom designed with individual zone controls, allowing each side to be adjusted for firmness, temperature, and even gentle massage functions. The private bathroom is clad in Calcutta marble with gold fixtures that aren't just gold-plated, they're solid gold. A rainfall shower, a Japanese-style soaking tub, and heated floors ensure that your morning routine remains luxurious, regardless of where you've parked. The dressing room features motorized clothing racks, climate-controlled storage for delicate fabrics, and a full-length mirror with adjustable lighting that simulates different times of day and weather conditions. Wake up to views through curved glass windows that create the sensation of sleeping in a luxurious treehouse. Except this treehouse can relocate to a new forest or beach or mountain range whenever you desire. Smart glass technology allows these windows to transition from crystal clear to completely opaque at the touch of a button, ensuring privacy without sacrificing the open, airy feeling that makes this space so special. The kitchen would make celebrity chefs weep with envy. Professional-grade appliances are seamlessly integrated into custom cabinetry, all designed to function perfectly whether you're parked or cruising at highway speeds. A 6-burner induction cooktop, dual ovens, a wine cellar maintaining perfect temperature for 200 bottles, and a refrigerator-freezer system with separate climate zones for different food types ensure you can create any cuisine imaginable. Advanced stabilization systems ensure your champagne doesn't spill and your soufflé doesn't collapse no matter the road conditions. A dedicated chef station allows you to employ a personal culinary artist, though the setup is intuitive enough for owners who prefer to cook themselves. The dining area seats 8 comfortably, with a table that rises from the floor at the press of a button, transforming the space from an open lounge to an elegant dining room. Additional living spaces include a study with a full office setup, video conferencing capabilities, and enough workspace for conducting business from anywhere in the world. A private cinema features a 4K laser projector, a screen that descends from the ceiling, and a sound system calibrated specifically for the space's acoustics. Guest quarters provide accommodation for staff or visitors, ensuring that your traveling party wants for nothing. Technology throughout the vehicle represents the cutting edge of mobile innovation. Climate control maintains perfect temperature in every zone, with sensors that automatically adjust based on occupancy and outside conditions. Air filtration systems use HEPA filters and UV sterilization to ensure you're breathing purer air than most operating rooms. The entertainment system rivals commercial theaters, with screens that retract into walls when not in use, maintaining the clean aesthetic that luxury buyers demand. Satellite connectivity provides gigabit speed internet anywhere on Earth, keeping you connected to the world, or allows you to disconnect entirely by engaging a simple privacy mode that blocks all incoming communications. Perhaps most impressive is the vehicle's autonomy. Solar panels integrated into the roof and sides generate substantial electricity up to 10 kilowatts under optimal conditions, supplemented by next-generation battery systems with 500 kilowatt hours of storage capacity. Water recycling technology purifies and reuses gray water, while substantial holding tanks store 1,000 gallons of fresh water. This isn't just a motorhome. It's a self-sufficient mobile estate capable of remaining off-grid for weeks at a time. The engineering challenges of creating such a vehicle were immense. The structure needed to be lightweight enough for road travel, yet strong enough to support multi-level living spaces with all their amenities. Advanced materials, including carbon fiber composites and aerospace-grade aluminum, form the skeleton, keeping the total weight to around 80,000 pounds, remarkably light for something this size. Computer-controlled suspension systems actively adjust to road conditions thousands of times per second, providing a ride so smooth you might forget you're moving at all. Gyroscopic stabilizers counteract any rolling motion, ensuring that even sharp turns feel gentle. Safety features match what you'd expect from Rolls Royce. Multiple camera systems provide 360-degree awareness, displayed on screens throughout the vehicle. Advanced radar and LiDAR detect potential hazards before they become problems, with automatic emergency braking if needed. The chassis incorporates the same crash protection technologies used in their automotive line, adapted for this much larger scale. Fire suppression systems using clean agents protect without damaging the luxurious interior. Multiple emergency exits, fail-safe mechanical systems, and redundant critical components ensure that luxury never comes at the expense of security. Of course, a vehicle like this isn't for everyone. The estimated price tag hovers around $20 million, placing it firmly in the realm of ultra-high net worth individuals. Annual maintenance costs alone could reach $500,000, covering everything from routine mechanical service to specialist detailing of those golden curves. Insurance companies are reportedly creating entirely new categories just to cover these rolling palaces, with premiums reaching 6 figures annually. But for those who can afford it, the value proposition is clear. Unlimited travel without sacrificing any luxury, the ability to bring your home to the world's most exclusive locations, and ownership of something truly unique. The target buyer is someone who already owns multiple properties around the globe, flies private as a matter of course, and finds traditional luxury no longer exciting. They're looking for the next frontier of exclusivity, the next way to distinguish themselves in circles where everyone already has everything. This vehicle offers that differentiation. Environmental considerations might seem incongruous with such opulence, but Rolls-Royce has addressed this thoughtfully. The vehicle can run on biodiesel or be converted to full electric power. Those solar panels provide real, substantial energy. Systems for composting, recycling, and minimal waste generation are built in. The cultural impact extends beyond the vehicle itself. This represents a shift in how the ultra-wealthy think about travel and lifestyle. Why own a dozen properties when you could have one spectacular mobile home that goes anywhere?